Hey everybody, your Harley parts guy here. We've got a used takeoff radioactive green outer fairing. Now this is specifically off of a factory painted 2015 FLHX model. So once again, this is off of a 2015 radioactive green street glide. This outer fairing, 100% factory OEM. As we know, you're not gonna be able to get it from factory anymore. And this thing is in absolute perfect condition. Not a nick, not a scratch. All the tabs are good. There's literally nothing wrong with it. I have high-res photos available on my eBay store. Fitment is 14 and later, all FLH Touring models. I have a part number so you can reference of 5700048one DWJ. Now guys, I'm asking 500 bucks for this plus shipping or best offer. So if you're interested, feel free to shoot me a message. Otherwise, make sure you check out my profile for a link to my eBay store for more Harley related items.